Munnar, located in the Idukki district of the southwestern Indian state of Kerala, is a picturesque hill station that is blessed with a tranquil ambience, rolling hills, lush greenery, and a pleasant climate. Situated at an altitude of 1,600 meters above sea level, Munnar is a perfect destination for nature lovers, adventure enthusiasts, and those seeking a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. The town is surrounded by sprawling tea plantations, mist-covered valleys, gushing waterfalls, and dense forests that are home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. Whether you are looking to trek through the wilderness, indulge in some tea tasting, or simply relax and rejuvenate in the lap of nature, Munnar has something to offer everyone. Munnar's natural beauty is a wonder to behold. The rolling hills covered in lush green tea plantations, misty mountains shrouded in clouds that cascade down the valleys. The air is crisp and fresh, filled with the fragrance of spices and wildflowers. Munnar is renowned for its vast tea plantations that cover the rolling hills as far as the eye can see. The region's rich soil, favorable climate, and high altitude create the perfect environment for growing tea. And Munnar produces some of the finest tea in the world. Visitors can witness the entire process of tea production, from picking the fresh tea leaves to the final stages of processing and packaging. The tea plantations offer a unique opportunity to experience the beauty of the landscape, learn about the history of tea in the region, and taste some of the finest teas available. The picturesque tea plantations of Munnar are a must-visit destination for anyone traveling to the region. Driving through Munnar is a delightful experience, as the roads wind through the lush green hills and valleys, providing breathtaking views at every turn. The roads are well maintained and offer easy access to the many popular tourist destinations in the region. Munnar not only famous for its scenic beauty but also for its rich variety of spices. The region's fertile soil and favorable climate make it an ideal place for cultivating spices such as cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, pepper, and nutmeg. Visitors can explore the many spice plantations in the area and learn about the cultivation and processing of these aromatic ingredients. In addition to the plantations, Munnar is home to several spice shops where visitors can purchase a wide range of fresh and flavorful spices. These spice shops offer an array of products, from whole spices and spice blends to oils and extracts, and are a great place to stock up on some of the best spices that Kerala has to offer. The martial art show in Munnar is a spectacular display of strength, skill, and precision. The performers perform a series of choreographed movements, accompanied by the rhythmic beat of traditional drums.
Daily 5 to 6 Kathakali show, Kerala traditional show, 6 to 7 Kalari Puttu, martial art show, daily evening 5 to 6 Kathakali, 6 to 7, here only Acha program. Kerala में.
The martial art show is not just a display of physical prowess, but also a celebration of Kerala's rich cultural heritage. The art form, known as Kalripayattu, has been practiced in Kerala for centuries and is considered one of the oldest martial arts in the world. Watching the martial art show in Munnar is an unforgettable experience. The performers' agility and grace as they execute their moves are truly awe-inspiring. Whether you are a martial arts enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates cultural performances, the martial art show in Munnar is not to be missed.